Okay, it's in your blood. Your uncles rode, your dad rides, even your mom rides. It starts before you can even reach the pegs. Then the begging starts. It pays off. You get a Pee-wee 80. Breathe. You learn to ride. You annoy the neighbors. You grow out of it. You get another bike. It has a clutch. You learn to use the clutch. Badly. You grow out of that. You think you're a real biker. You think you're ready for an MX bike. Turns out you haven't mastered a clutch. You try to ride it. It throws you off. It sits in the garage, just leaning against the wall. Just gathering dust and living in your nightmares. You just breathe. The time comes, you turn 16. You can get a license just for a 125. But it counts. You master the clutch. You learn the road. You redline every gear. You use the momentum. You ride. You ride some more. You ride before school. You ride after school. You ride to take photos. You realize this is life now. You breathe. You ride an R1. The 125 feels slow. You get confident. You get cocky. You get stupid. You get breathe. A 600. It's heavy. It's everything you've ever wanted. It's a real bike. It's bloody fast. At least at first. You get used to straight line speed. You try to corner. You suck. You drop it. You watch MotoGP. You watch superbikes. Johnny Ray wins. It's really boring. You go to bike shows. You get new gear. You get a tinted visor. The Gixxer breaks. You fix it. You sell it. You get the bike of your dreams. Breathe. Turns out your last bike was lame. You try a track day. You're really slow. You try harder. You get faster. Not much faster. You get lower in your head. You get new tires. You try a rally. You wash it. You wash it some more. You find more dirt. You wash that dirt. You buy mods. Mods you can't afford. It's an addiction. Breathe. You buy a project bike. It's every biker's dream. You work day and night, learning more than you ever imagined. It gets cleaner, it starts, it looks better. You learn about engines, about internals, about carbs, about downers, about fuel injection. You ride fast bikes, you ride slow bikes, you ride anything you can get your hands on. You meet awesome bikers, you race bikers, you lose, you win, you meet cops. Cops are assholes. You do top speed runs, you have launch practice. Breathe. You go for a ride. On a quiet morning. The weather is great. Your tires feel sticky. Your body feels awake. And your reflexes ready to flex. It's fun. It's fast. This is why you started riding. You fall in love with motorcycles all over again. This is what it's all about.